Where do we draw the line? Between enforcement and humiliation, between punishment and protection, and between development and harm to human rights. Across Nigeria, concerns continue to be raised about how arrested persons are treated in public spaces, how vulnerable groups are protected within the justice system, and how environmental degradation affects the dignity and the survival of entire communities. 3 proposed constitutional amendments under the human rights framework seek to respond to these concerns in different but deeply connected ways. Welcome to today's episode on the Constitutional Review Conversation. Today we'll be looking into human rights. Constitutional Amendment Bill provides that the definition of torture, the definition of inhuman or degrading treatment shall include the public parading of persons arrested by the police or any other law enforcement agency. The public parade of an arrested person is a punishment inflicted before guilt has been established, and a degradation of dignity visited upon someone who may ultimately be found entirely innocent. Constitutional Amendment Bill addresses sentencing in cases involving pregnant women. It provides that where a pregnant woman is convicted of an offense punishable by death, and the court is satisfied that she is pregnant, the sentence shall be commuted to life imprisonment. An unborn child cannot be subjected to the consequences of a crime that they had no part in committing. Constitutional Amendment Bill expands the constitutional right to life to include the right to clean, safe, and healthy environment. It places a duty on the state, a duty on the corporate borders, and a duty on individuals to protect and improve the environment, including air, water, land, forests, wildlife, and the list goes on. The bill further provides that the exposing person or persons or communities to serious environmental harm through pollution, toxic waste dumping, industrial emissions, or contaminations of natural resources, where this leads to health risk, loss of livelihood, displacement, or degraded living condition, shall constitute inhuman and degrading treatment under the Constitution. This speaks directly to the lived reality of communities across the Niger Delta, the Middle Belt, and other regions where environmental destruction has devastated lives for too long. These proposals reflect a shift in constitutional thinking, from protecting dignity only in principle to addressing the practical conditions in which dignity is either upheld or violated in everyday life. Human rights are not static. They are not. They grow as our understanding of human dignity grows.